real world problems involving inverse proportion in 107 seconds. Let's go. These questions can be super confusing, guys, but don't worry, we're going to do our best to make it clear. Let's have a look. The question says that 4 bakers can decorate 100 cakes in 5 hours, and then it asks us how long it would take 10 bakers to bake 150 cakes. What do we reckon? Well, the key thing to notice here, guys, is that there's going to be one thing which is going to be, in theory, reducing our time, and there's going to be one thing which is, in theory, increasing our time. Now, what are they going to be? We go from having 4 bakers to 10 bakers. In other words, we have 2.5 times as many bakers as before. You can do that by doing 10 divided by 4. And what that implies is that it's going to take 2.5 times less time to make those cakes. So we can start off by doing our initial 5 hours, divided by 2.5, because we have 2.5 times as many bakers. However, that thing which is increasing our time, what's that going to be? Well, we've gone also from 100 cakes to 150 cakes. So we have 1.5 times as many cakes to make. We could do that by doing 150, our new number of cakes, divided by 100, our initial number. So we're now going to have to multiply this number by 1.5. Why? Because we have 1.5 times as many cakes to make. So we can then simplify this. What are we going to have? 5 divided by 2.5, that's going to give us 2, and then 2 times by 1.5, that's going to give us 3. So in theory, it would take 10 bakers 3 hours to make 150 cakes. What did we do? We divided by 2.5 because we have 2.5 times more bakers, which is going to bring down the time by a multiple of 2.5. But then we had to multiply our answer by 1.5. Why? Because we're having to bake 1.5 times as many cakes, which is going to bring up our answer by 1.5 times.